Someone asked me why you didn't allow Bihar police to enter your house. First of all, I'm not Samuel Miranda. Guys, my name is Samuel Hokip. I left Sushant's house in July 2019. So I wasn't there. You guys are mistaking me for someone else. Who is Miranda? He is a housekeeping manager who is supposed to supervise the house staff. And guys, I'm alive, I'm not dead. What is this nonsense going on? What about the party on 13 June? Did it happen? I have no clue. Whoever I spoke to has denied of any such party, so I'm not really aware of it. तुम कहाँ थे 14th को? Bro, I was in Delhi. Sushant never spoke to me about Sandeep, so I don't know him. I was never removed, and it wasn't a job, so I was never removed from that job, if that's what you want to know. No, I don't know Sandeep Singh. Guys, you guys are asking me a lot of questions which are related to the investigation, and since it's sub judice, I don't think we should even dwell upon those topics. Let the concerned authorities do their job. You guys can put pressure on the authorities, but I don't think we should speculate on what would be the result, what would be the outcome. Let's just have faith in the concerned authority, be it Bihar police or Mumbai police, or be it CBI, whoever it is. Let's just hope for that. My name is Jamlin Pao Samuel Hokip. Guys, people are trolling Dipesh Sawant. Please don't troll Dipesh Sawant. He's one of the most loyal guys who has worked with Sushant, and he's so young. Please don't troll him like that. This is too brutal. Yes, I did speak to a few news channels. In fact, yeah, a couple of them. Till the time I was there, Priyanka 0409. Till the time I was there, I mean, there were no signs of the depression which everyone's talking about. I have no idea, guys, what people are lying about and what theory is there. Let the concerned authorities do their job. Let's not. How will I be able to answer why was Dipesh in the ambulance? I don't know. I wasn't there. What kind of person is Pithani? Is he a pro team? The pro team originally consisted of Kushal, Siddharth, Abbas, Dipesh, and I. Siddharth Pithani came later. Guys, I hope I made a lot of things clear. Please don't circulate fake narratives. Was Siddharth Pithani a good friend of Riya? He was definitely better friend of Riya than me. I mean, he was closer. I think Samuel Miranda is. Samuel Miranda is pretty much alive. I messaged him like few days ago. I wanted to know what's happening. Sorry. People are asking me to speak up about Sushant. I'm in complete. I'm in touch with the family. So wherever it's necessary, I'm already doing it. No, Pro Team is not active anymore. Pro Team was designed to help Sushant achieve his dreams, and while doing so, we would have individually achieved our dreams as well. So that was the objective of the Pro Team, and there is no Pro Team anymore. And no, guys, I'm not threatened. Stop spreading all these rumors. No one's threatening me. I'm completely fine. I'm completely okay. Thanks for showing so much love. What is protein? Anju Khatri 2015. Yes, that's correct. I also believe in karma. Pallavi Sultania. And guys, no one lives in Sushant's house. And people are messaging me saying I'm at Sushant's house. I left that house almost a year ago. Why would I be there? All these pictures, all these videos which I'm posting are all old videos. Have you met Disha Salian? I met her like a couple of times during the Chichore shoot. She was managing Varun. I don't know much more about that. I think guys, I've cleared enough. I think I should get back. Please keep supporting. You guys are doing a wonderful job by putting pressures on the authorities concerned so that they come up with a fair conclusion, a fair report. Take care, guys. Much love.